Today, we're gonna make a Good Samaritan doctor box. So yep, you got the first part. Pop open your box and assemble your doctor bag. And then,
oh, I know what I'm going to do.
Yeah, are you gonna use those stickers for your doctor bag?
Is that what you're anyways supposed to do?
Yeah, and then you can use crayons if you would like to color it. I'm gonna put my stickers there too. And you can decorate it however you want, because today we're talking about the Good Samaritan and how he helped the guy along the road.
What do we need this for?
That's a good question. So you have all these supplies for your Good Samaritan story, including the 2 coins that he gives the innkeeper to take care of the man. Do you remember the Good Samaritan story?
Yeah.
People were asking Jesus, what do I need to do to get eternal life? And he said, you love the Lord your God with all your heart, all your being, all your strength, and all your mind, and your neighbor as yourself. And then he wanted to know about the neighbor part. He's like, well, who's my neighbor? Who do I have to help? And that's why Jesus told him the story of the Good Samaritan. Jesus said, a man fell victim to robbers as he went from Jerusalem to Jericho. They stripped and beat him and went off, leaving him half dead. A priest happened to be going down that road, but when he saw him, he passed by on the opposite side. He didn't help him, he kept going. Was that the right thing to do?
Why would a priest do that?
Because he wasn't one of his people. They were really concerned about only taking care of their own at this time. And he said, that guy is not mine. I can't get dirty because I have to go celebrate things. And if I stop, I'm gonna get dirty. I won't be able to celebrate the Sabbath. Likewise, a Levite came to the place, and when he saw him, he passed by on the opposite side. But a Samaritan traveler who came upon him was moved with compassion at the sight. Remember when we were going to American Heritage Girls and you saw the homeless lady and we stopped and we got her something to eat?
Yeah.
Was that being a Good Samaritan?
Yeah.
Yeah, were we late for American Heritage Girls?
Yeah.
Yeah, but did we do?
Bit.
Yeah, we were a little bit late. Here, I'm gonna put all of my stuff in my doctor bag, my Good Samaritan doctor bag. So we were a little bit late, but we did the right thing by stopping, right?
And not just, oh, I don't care.
Yep.
Let's just go on. She doesn't need any.
Yeah, but we did the right thing and stopped. I was really proud of you for that. You said, wait, we've got food. And we took the snacks that we had in the car and we gave it to her. And we talked with her, which you always do with an adult. You don't do that by yourself, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So the priest and a Levite came by who were both Jewish, and they kept going. A Samaritan who wasn't Jewish came by, but he's a good person. And he approached the victim, poured oil and wine over his wounds, and bandaged him. So we don't have oil and wine because we don't use those anymore to clean wounds, but we could pretend like with water to bandage, and then we can use our bandage to act this out. Can you bandage my arm?
Aren't we going to use it for real people though?
You could use it for real people, or you could use it to act out the story.
Okay.
Okay. So here is mine, and you can bandage my arm like I'm the hurt person. Help! So you clean my wound and bandage. Thank you. And he lifted him up on his own animal, took him to an inn, and cared for him. So you also have some other things in your kit that you could use to care for people, like Band-Aids and your gloves to be clean.
And then I could cut this and then.
Yeah, or your pretend shot, right? Your shot pen that you can use. Here, I'll bandage the rest of the way. Thank you for bandaging me up.
You're welcome.
The next day, he took out 2 silver coins. Here's your 2 silver coins from your bag, your 2 silver coins, and gave them to the innkeeper, and he said,
take care of him. If you spend more than what I've given you, I shall repay you when I get back.
so which of these 3, in your opinion, was neighbor to the robber's victim?
The last person.
Yeah, the Samaritan, right? The one who treated him with mercy. And you know what Jesus had to say about that?
What?
Go and do likewise.
To the guy?
Yes, to the guy who was trying to test Jesus. He said, go and do likewise. So that's why we are making our own little doctor kit, right? Can I help you? I'm gonna put my gloves on. It's fun to play doctor, huh?
Yeah.
So this is fun so we can practice being neighborly and being good Samaritans, right?
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, and that's how you can use your Good Samaritan kit.
And you can also actually do it in real life.
And we can be that Good Samaritan, even if it's someone we don't like or someone we don't know. Good job on your doctor kit, Claire.